2010 red Toyota Camry, Florida tag number LBZ1. The vehicle has visible damage to passenger